make it about 9 inches, maybe. Yeah. I got some leftover leather that I bought a long time ago. It's pretty thick, it's pretty dense, so I figured this should make a pretty quiet chainstay protector. Should work pretty good. Measure about 9. To measure how wide I need to cut my leather, I'll measure the width of the chainstay by, you can either tie like a string around it, or I'm using a bread tie, and then just pinch it. So that right there is how wide I need to make my leather. Let me take where we pinched it, straighten it out, measure it. Looks like it's about exactly 3 inches. And the chainstay is tapered. I've already measured the other end of it, and it's 2 3/4. So this end will be the front. So you can just put a little F there. That's our 9-inch mark. We'll take it down to, we'll take this line down to 3. About right there. And this end down to 2 3/4, which is about right there. From our markings, we'll just mark it to the 3. Mark it straight down. So this little box right here is what we need to cut. And I'm actually going to go just a little bit shorter, so whenever I wrap it around there's a little bit of room to stitch together. We don't want it perfect, is what I'm saying. I'll run my knife, push real hard. Push real hard, just watch your fingers. A good sharp blade. And there's our leather right there. We'll try it out and see how it fits. Okay, the leather fits pretty good. It should be pretty tight once I tie it all around it. To make the holes in the leather, you can either drill it out or punch it out, or I found one of these a long time ago and they got little hole punches in them. They're pretty nice. It makes it a lot easier. You just put the leather in there. And I don't really have an order, I'm just going to go with it. So there's our first hole. Not really sure how many holes I'm going to make, but we'll see. So we push it in there, twist it around, it'll come right out. There's our second hole. There's one side, we'll do the rest on the other. There's the other side. And our plan is, say this is the chainstay, put this around it. Either we're going to sew it or do some wire. I'm not sure what to do just yet. So here's my options. I have black yarn, a copper yarn, or a copper cord, or wire, copper wire. I think it's a 16 gauge. This might be pretty cool, but if I can make it clean, I don't know. We'll try some different stuff. I put a floodlight down there to try to give some more light, so if the colors is looking kind of funky, that's probably why. So our plan is to put it on here. sew it and then flip it around. Maybe. And also, if you ever worked with leather, leather's easier to work with whenever it's wet. So, let me grab my spray bottle. Oh no! Just broke my spray bottle. That's that. Plan B. Try this real fast. Okay. We'll go through here, through the other hole. Go through or tag in. Bring that down. We'll cut those extras off. You might want to try to do it double on the first one, maybe. Okay. Right there. Now let's go through. This hole here. Keeping tension on it. Now hopefully we can turn this whenever we're done. Okay, so that's pretty much done. Try to tie a knot. It was tight. Let's go this way. There's one knot. Go for two. That needle just went way underneath my fingernail. That hurt. Cut that. Cut all these. Okay, it's going that way. Make sure my bike doesn't fall off my rack here. And that is how you make a leather chainstay. That noise is hitting this right here. So it's pretty solid. It's a dense material, so I don't know, let me know what you think. Do you like it or no? I think it's kind of cool. It definitely needs some color on it though. This is black, low VOC leather dye. I got light brown too, but let's try the black. And this stuff will stain your clothes, so be sure and wearing something that you don't really care about. With these leather dyes, you're really supposed to work it all in and rub it and all that stuff, but for what I'm using it for today, this will be just fine. Not too shabby. Chainstay Protector. I think it worked pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of the leather Chainstay Protector. I threw on a water bottle holder too. Should this go on this frame or on this part of the frame? Should it go right there or right there? I'm thinking right there. I might need to change that. Anyways, let me know if you guys can think of something to help me out with this. That rattle noise right there. And let me know what you guys think of the new Chainstay Protector. I'll let you guys know how long it lasts and how it looks, and hopefully the stitches will stay. So anyways, thanks for watching.